Daming dala, ano yan?
Dahil sobrang bilis guys ng watch pagdating kay Nixon. Nung nag-confirm at nag-DP si client, sold na. Mataas na to ngayon. 2025, parang bago talaga bro, no? What's up guys? So ayun, dito tayo sa Place and Store. Sensya na, medyo masama pa daw natin today. Pero I went here because meron tayong inquiry from one of our customers, si Sir. So, he previously went here to buy a Golden Goose. Pero after that, nag-message siya sa akin, he inquired about a two-door. Tapos yung two-door, what we're gonna do is we were supposed to source it from Nixon kasi nabenta rin agad. So, two-door Pelagos yun. But now, he opened si Sir to change the order kasi inopera natin siya ng Black Bay 54, which Nixon also has in 2025. So, titignan natin yung unit guys. Dadalhin ni Nixon today dito sa shop. Tingnan natin kung madaan deal. Pero technically, si Nixon already agreed to a price. And then, what's left is just for us to check the unit. Ngayon, nag-down payment na rin si Sir. Siya kay Eager na bilhin yung two-door. So, he sent us a down payment of 10,000 pesos na fast flip natin. So, ayun, hintayin natin si Brother Nixon guys. Sabakan nyo.
Daming dala, ano yan? What's this?
Oy, bro, bagong buwan pa lang.
Yes, pwede pang gift yan.
Okay guys, so nag-request lang si client, si Sir Bali, nag-request siya that we take a video and a picture of the unit once we have it. We're gonna do a fast flip transaction lang. So we sold this, actually, done deal na nag-EP na for 10,000 pesos. He's gonna send the balance now once we send the proof. Kasi originally, naghahanap si customer ng Pelagos. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Tapos meron si Nixon, actually, 2025. Tapos, dahil sobrang bilis guys ng watch pagdating kay Nixon. Nung nag-confirm at nag-DP si client, sold na. So tumawag sa si Nixon, naku, nabenta na, ganyan. And hindi ko rin naman pinahold kasi hindi rin naman pa certain si client nun. So ngayon, we ended up getting the Black Bay.
Good thing is tumaas ang SRP. So sa website, makita mo yung SRP more than 250.
Mataas na to ngayon. 2025, parang bago talaga bro, no? So bibidyoan ko lang, bukas year na. So yun guys, nag-transfer na si Sir fully paid na. Tomorrow natin pa LPC. Maraming salamat brother, thank you so much. Thank you for dropping by. Yeah, so medyo may sakit ako eh. Pero yun nga, and the reason why I went here to Shopsmith is because I want to close the deal with Sir. Very, fast trip lang. And this is a 2025 two-door Black Bay. And so if you're looking for watches, for not watch sellers, huwag kayo sa akin mamili. Huwag kayo sa mga kaibigan namin. If you have any inquiries, if you're existing customers strictly for our VIPs, you can approach us and then we can source out for you. What's up guys? Another watch! Hindi, joke lang! Joke lang! Okay sa atin boss kasi parang it's different when you nasa automotive. Bawi ako sa'yo ah. No worries. Here you go. Pag kami papasintas kang sapatos, dali mo dun. Ako expert yun. Sorry kasi sinuot ko na, nagandaan din ako eh. Ganda kasi, diba?
Sir, drip check na.
Ano, parang nautusan ako ha. Drip check na. Okay, sige. Bago tayo mag-drip check, I wanna say, parang it's the first time that we did the vlog on being able to close luxury watch. So, two-door, so we sold that, and then that's good. So, mag-start ako sa drip check ko sa watch. So, I'm wearing the Rolex Oyster Flex Rose Gold. So, yeah, that's on my wrist. Cap muna, I'm wearing Ralph's Coffee. Ralph Lauren na Ralph's Coffee edition. Ng cap, we're selling this for 6,000 pesos dito sa Prism. And then for the top, I'm wearing Louis Vuitton. So prices around 80,000. Depends kung available pa for your size. And then for the pants, I'm wearing Uniqlo. For the shoes, I have the Paint Splatter Margiela Guts, guys. So this is available here. The Prism for only 45,000 pesos. That's it.
Ako naman, so magsa-start ulit ako sa watch. So I'm wearing Cartier Santos, medium. Then sa top ko, I'm wearing Stussy na long sleeves. This is available here for 10,500. Sa pants ko naman, I'm wearing St. Louis. And this price, 25,000.
Yes. Okay.
Then sa shoes ko, I'm wearing Louis Vuitton na trainers, the brown one. Available for pre-order, 80,000 pesos guys. So yun lang, Prism.